Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of Basics of Mechanical Engineering. In the previous video, we have discussed about the types of pattern. Among that, we discussed single piece and split pattern or two-piece pattern and the necessity of splitting into two halves. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the other remaining types of pattern, that is match plate pattern and open drag pattern. So I am Dr. J. Yokeshkumar, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Engineering. Here I want to discuss the few important points or few important notes why we go for a match plate and open drag pattern. So let us have a deep dive into the presentation. The match plate pattern, the name indicates match plate indicates we are using a plate that usually matches with the mold box. So the patterns and other components of the patterns are attached in the match plate. And finally, we can prepare the mold in the mold box or mold box. And the molds are prepared with the help of either manually or machine molding with the help of match plate. So whenever we go for a machine molding, we cannot imagine the molding without the match plate. So match plate is the plate which supports pattern and all other associated components of the match plate. So this match plate may be a single plate which carries both open drag patterns, or we can use different match plates. One plate is used to hold the cope pattern and another plate is used to hold the drag pattern. So depending upon the complexity and geometry of the part, we can use single match plate or we can use two match plates for the both open drag pattern. So usually the match plate, we can most of the molding applications we can use single match plate, which is used to accommodate open drag sections of the split pattern, and that are mounted opposite to the uh, plate. So this plate, it is either made up of metal or wooden plate, depending upon the complexity of the part. So this type of patterns are divided into two sections along with the parting line, and that is formed. So here in this illustration, we can see the cylindrical casting, that is the part where we are going to produce. It has a cope and drag side. So both the sides are molds can be prepared with the help of both the sides, and it is assembled together. Finally, we can have a mold cavity of like this. And this is the industrial photograph of the match plate pattern. So here you can see the patterns are attached in the match plate. So here we have four cavities. Both the cavities are there in the match plate. Both cope and drag are there, and at the center we have a gating system, screw cup, etc. And runner is also there in the pot. And the second uh, pattern is called a open drag pattern. Open drag pattern, we have the pattern, if, we already know that if the part is very complex, then it cannot be made into a single piece, it is splitted into two halves. So those splitted pattern, if it is attached to the match plate, then it is called a open drag pattern. The topmost portion is attached in the match plate, then it is called a cope pattern, and the bottom portion is attached in the match plate, then it is used to produce the cavity, then it is called a drag pattern. So the molds are produced separately with the help of cope and drag pattern. Then finally the pattern is removed from the mold cavity. Then we have a cope box and drag box which are joined together, uh, and we have a full setup of mold cavity. So this type of pattern is used for intricate to produce intricate shapes of the casting. And these are all the references for my presentation, manufacturing technology. Foundry Forming and Welding, authored by P. N. Rao in the year of 2013. My second reference, a textbook of production technology, authored by P.C. Sharma in the year of 2014. So in this video, we have discussed about the uh, split pattern. In the split pattern, we have a match plate pattern and a open drag pattern. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.